Cushelle toilet tissue. Cushelle, irresistibly soft.
Just pop it over there.
She meets herself.
Argos it, and whatever we're delivering, you'll go wherever you choose. Find it at Argos it.
Big Deal Quality Street. Now only £5 each at Sainsbury's.
Oh dear, shut up Sainsbury's. This is class. This is gold. Oh God, I don't want to laugh too much because I'll have a coughing fit. Told you. Oh, here we go. I'll keep this going as long as she's going to do it. If she keeps doing it, I'm going to keep filming it, so... Ah, no, she's stopped now. Something else has become more interesting. I think that was worth keeping. Let's see how it works. Nope, she's bored now. Yep, play with my tail this time. Oh. Oh dear, sorry. I can't help but laugh. Oh well, she's got somebody to play with now. Oh well, I think this is over. Oh, maybe not. Is it? Is it? Is it really? What are you looking at? He's going to carry on. Oh dear me. That's it, I think. That's it, yeah, it is, I think. Or is she trying to compete with herself? I can chase my tail better than you. It's probably good. It's probably good. Probably good I stop now. I'm not very well. Oh no, what the hell. Keep filming until it stops being funny. Oh dear. Stop being oh. Nah, stopped being funny a while ago, didn't it?